Finding fractions of an amount, video number 1. So we are looking for 1/5 of 10, okay? Now the rule with finding a fraction of an amount is you need to divide by the denominator, then multiply by the numerator. I've got a little visual, it's very high tech as you can see, right beside here to show you what that process looks like. So we take 10 and we divide it by 5, so we're dividing it into 5 groups, okay? So that would be 10 divided into those 5 groups. This is what 10 divided by 5 looks like as a visual, okay? Now, we have got the 5 groups. We want only one of those 5 groups. So I'm going to take this guy just here. In that group, there are 2 dots, okay? So that means our answer would be 2. Now, if we were to change the fraction, say for example we were looking for 2/5 of 10, we would go through pretty much the same process. We would have 10 divided by 5, okay, put into 5 little groups, but this time we're not looking for one of those groups with 1/5, we're looking for 2 of those groups with 2/5. So I wouldn't just select 1, I would be taking 1, 2 of those groups, okay? So 2/5 of 10 is 4, because look, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Okay, to look at one last one, okay, so if, for example, it was 5/5 of 10, then I would be doing the same process as before. I would be taking 10 and putting it into 5 groups, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 2 in each group because we've shared them out equally, okay, and I would not be taking one of the 5 groups or 2 of the 5 groups, I'd be taking all 5 of the 5 groups, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? If I take all 5 groups with 2 in each group, that would be 10, okay? So this is what finding a fraction of amount looks like. We divide by the denominator and then afterwards we multiply by the numerator. This beautiful visual hopefully will help you to see it in your head and to understand.